What propels us towards our goals in life? What makes us achieve our dreams and make them a reality? What is the role emotions has to play? Have you ever thought that most of the wonderful thing that happens in our life have certain emotions behind it and logic has very little to play? Have you ever noticed that most of the time our first reaction or action is triggered by an emotion and then it is balanced by your logic? It is emotion that sets the foundation for most wonderful things in our life. Emotions anchor our goals towards our consciousness, and that helps us muster all our courage, all our energies, and that takes us to achieve those goals and fulfill those dreams. And today's talk is all about this. Often we break down with even smallest of adversaries, forget adversaries, even with a small argument. And when a big crisis falls upon us, we lose control completely. We feel completely shattered. And the reason is we are all emotional beings. In times like these, in these pandemic times, what is happening is that we are all gone into our shells. We are all thinking and working from the position of defense. And we have all kind of locked down ourselves, if not essentially physically, but in so many other ways. And it is in these times that we have to see what best can we make out of our life, what best can we do by thinking what positive emotion that we have. And we all have plenty of positive emotions. No one amongst us has ever experienced anything like this before. So if we feel scared, it's kind of logical. But for how long? We have to learn to live. We have to learn to move forward in life. Slowly and steadily, we will be able to overcome this stalemate as well. I'm sure about it. But this is the time when we all must stand up and find that one reason that gives us strength, that takes our focus in a positive direction. But what's that? And how to go about it? So the solution is it's time to look inwards and do what you like. It could be anything, a hobby, something to do with an alternate career, or social work, whatever you like. Start devoting yourself into it. As you start devoting yourself into it by putting your time, energy, focus, efforts, you will see that your mind starts putting its full energies there. And as you start achieving some result, reaching some milestones, or even getting a sense of the thing, you will start getting motivated. And as you start feeling motivated, your focus to that new interest, hobby, work, alternate career, social thing, whatever you are into, will start to increase more. It will add significantly to your happiness, and it will significantly change the course of your focus, life, and maybe help you sail through these tough times so comfortably and easily. It is time that once this passes, you will realize that not only that you have gained something new, you have completely changed the way you think, you have also ended up learning a new skill for life. And this will be your silver lining at this time in this cloudy world. So look at that silver line and try to move in that direction.